Today my topic is motor drivers instrument connectivity. LabVIEW is one software tool that can span all of your hardware components. Drivers are readily available for common hardware devices. Each hardware driver shares a similar familiar programming model. LabVIEW can help save you time. Once your drivers are usable, you need them to communicate with hardware and learn the programming model that the drivers designer decided was appropriate for that particular device. Connect to any hardware. Connectivity is made possible with driver software, which serves as a communication layer between LabVIEW and your hardware. LabVIEW driver software supplies seamless integration across multiple types of instruments, buses, and sensors, including data acquisition devices, boxed instruments, modular instruments, motion controllers, and motion drives, visions, and image processing hardware, wireless sensors, and field programmable gate arrays. We also can import drivers from other programming languages or use low-level communication to implement your own drivers. National Instruments is a global market leader in PC-based data acquisition with a complete family of data acquisition products for desktop, portable, industrial, and embedded applications. You can use NI DACMAX driver for software to integrate more than 200 data acquisition devices in LabVIEW on a variety of major buses and form factors including USB, PCI, PCI Express, PXI Express, wireless, and Ethernet. NI also offers other specialty test, measurement, and control hardware, modular instruments, synchronized measurements, signal generations, radio frequency, and switching components for automated test systems. Each hardware type includes its own driver software for easy integration into LabVIEW. I will give some examples: digital multimeters, high-speed digitizers like oscilloscopes, RF signal analyzer, RF signal generators, high-speed digital input-output switches, programmable power supplies, reconfigurable FPGA input-output, motion controllers, vision systems. The drivers for all these products were designed with LabVIEW. The drivers install directly into the LabVIEW and adds new functions to the function palette. So we waste no time locating and including support for your hardware. National Instrument device drivers generally implement advanced features such as device name, aliases, and hardware simulations, so you can develop software without typing yourself to a particular device. The driver can adapt to new device even if the underlying technology changes dramatically, such as when moving from a PCI based data acquisition device to a wireless device. Third party hardware. LabVIEW does more than just connect to a national instrument hardware. LabVIEW also connect to thousands of third party instruments through instrument drivers. The instrument driver net IDNet offers more than 10,000 free drivers for instruments from more than 350 third-party vendors that make your hardware work with LabVIEW. When you cannot find an instrument driver for your instrument or you want to add functionality to an existing driver, LabVIEW wizards can automatically generate code to quickly create the framework you need to develop your instrument driver. LabVIEW includes functions for interfacing with major instrument control standards such as GPIB serial communication, like we are using RS-232, RS-485, and RS-422, USB, VXI, PXI, Ethernet, IEEE 1394, VISA, Modbus, and OPC servers. Finding the right driver software. At ni.com we can find thousands of free drivers for both National Instrument hardware and third-party instruments. All National Instrument hardware is shipped with free LabVIEW driver software, but if you lose the driver CD or need to upgrade, we can simply search in ni.com to find the latest version. IDNet, which hosts nearly all of these drivers, is the largest collection of instrument drivers in the industry. We can search in Net Instrument Driver Network. In addition to searching IDNet, you can also use the LabVIEW Instrument Driver Finder to search for your third-party instrument. LabVIEW automatically detects connected instruments and searches IDNet for instrument driver that match the model number reported by instrument. The LabVIEW instrument driver finder detects connected instrument and searches for matching drivers. All LabVIEW drivers are installed either by their own installer or instrument driver finder accessing the functions. After your hardware driver software is installed, it is natively integrated into LabVIEW, which provides a palette so you can conveniently access functions. You simply drag and drop function to your block diagram to configure and control on your hardware devices. We have function palette. In that, we have programming, measurement input output, instrument input output, vision and motion, mathematics, signal processing, data communication, connectivity, control and design simulation, etc. In that we have selected measurement input output. In that we have national instrument DAC max MX data. In DAC MX we have task constant, channel constant, create channel, read, write, wait, timing, recurring, start, stop, clear, channel node, timing node, triggering node, read node, write node, DAC assist, real time, DV configuration, task configuration, advanced. Testing the physical connection. The NI diagnostics driver, for example, provides connections diagrams such illustrate the various connections you need to make particular measurement. In addition, the NI DAC Max driver is also includes test panels that provide an excellent way to test and troubleshoot the actual signals being acquired or generated by the device and your physical connection. Thank you.